If you're planning a trip to Atlantis and thinking about booking the sea lion experience, this is the video I wish I had found before my trip. I had so many questions. Could I bring my GoPro? Could my mom come and watch? Was there a photographer? Would I be able to get good pictures? What was the experience actually like? I found one video that was close, but it didn't answer all of those questions. So today I'm sharing everything I learned. Welcome to Erica Explores, where I share travel experiences, hidden gems, and the tips I wish I knew beforehand. Now, let's go meet Dolce. I definitely recommend making your reservation in advance because these experiences can fill up quickly. The Sea Lion experience cost was $250 when I visited. On the day of your reservation, you'll head over to the Dolphin Key area and check in at the front desk. You'll sign a waiver, and then you're free to wait on the beach while the previous groups finish their experiences. One thing I really liked was being able to watch the dolphin encounters while we waited. It really helped to build the excitement. One of my biggest concerns before booking was whether or not my mom could come with me. I wanted someone to take pictures and videos because I wasn't sure there would be anybody else able to do it. Good news! Atlantis offers an observer pass that was $30 at the time of my visit. My mom was able to watch the entire experience from the benches, so if you're traveling with someone who doesn't want to participate, this is a great option. When it was our group's turn, one of the Sea Lion attendants came to get us. We were taken to another building where everyone was fitted with a wetsuit. There were lockers available for your belongings before heading over to meet the sea lions. After everyone was ready, we walked behind the dolphin pools to the sea lion habitat. It was a short walk, but it was kind of fun because you get to see a little bit behind the scenes at Dolphin Key. Yeah.
We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen, just another half a mile, and oh, y'all didn't bring no shoes. I'm so sorry. Oh, just wait for me. Yo, I assume so. Go right to the blue and white benches for me.
Oh wow, that's a lot closer than I thought it was going to be.
1, 2, 3. Go back to Edgar and update. We are going to head on out. How much is that? Don't grab your stuff first, and then we can put our stuff down. For those who she coming right now.
This was probably my biggest question before the trip. Can I take photos? Can I bring my GoPro? Can I use a tripod? Here's what I learned. You're not allowed to bring anything with you into the water. I brought my phone and a tripod, and I left them on the benches before getting in. I set them up to record my entire experience. The trainers were amazing. There were about 3 or 4 attendants working with our group, and they were more than happy to take your phone and take pictures and videos with it. This was such a relief because getting good pictures was one of the things that I was the most worried about before booking. Meeting Dolce. Before we go meet Dolce, the sea lion, it's time for a puppy break. This is Hermione. She's one of the puppies I'm currently fostering through the Riverside County Animal Shelter. She'll be available for adoption soon, and if you're in the Riverside area and looking for a sweet new family member, I'll leave the shelter's information below. Now, Hermione, are you ready to go meet a sea lion? Okay, great. Let's go meet Dolce. Our sea lion's name was Dolce, and she was absolutely adorable. She swam around us while we were treading water in the shallow pool. If you're not comfortable treading water, don't worry. There's also a platform in the pool where you can stand or kneel throughout the entire experience. Throughout the encounter, we got to touch Dolce, interact with her, and learn all about sea lions. The trainers talked about their anatomy, their behaviors, mating habits, and the Sea Lion Conservation Program at Atlantis. They also encouraged everyone to ask questions, so I definitely recommend thinking of a few questions before you go. Since this trip was part of my birthday celebration, the trainers surprised me by having Dolce sing happy birthday to me.
Happy day to happy day to happy day, dear Erica. Say Erica. Come on, you gotta finish the last one. Happy day to. Bring it from the stomach, okay? Good girl. Don't say give Erica a big round of applause. Good girl. Thank you, Erica.
It was such a fun moment and definitely one of my favorite memories from my trip. Everyone had the opportunity to take photos with Dolce. We took 3 pictures, a silly picture, a scary picture, and a smiling picture. Those ended up being some of my favorite vacation photos. If I were doing this experience again, I'd bring a towel, some water shoes or flip-flops, a phone or camera for the trainers to use to take pictures of you throughout the experience, and a few questions for the trainers. I absolutely loved the sea lion experience. I had already done a dolphin encounter in Mexico, so I wanted to try something different. I'm really glad I did. Dolce was amazing, the trainers were fantastic, and I learned a lot. I got some incredible pictures and I made some memories I'll never forget. If you're considering the Atlantis sea lion experience, I hope this video answers some of the questions you had before booking. Honestly, this is the video I was hoping to find before my trip, and that's exactly why I wanted to make it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Say bye-bye. She's so tiny. Puppy break. Say bye-bye.